What's up guys, welcome back to another KixFix video. So this video is gonna be an unboxing. I work at Foot Locker now, so these came in and you know, you've got employee discount, so I thought, you know what, let me use it on the women's Obsidian Air Max 1. So the colorway is white, Obsidian pure platinum. It's a women's 10, which is the equivalent of a men's 9. I fit 9 and 9.5, but since it's women's it's also a little bit smaller or a little bit more narrow. But without the insoles they fit good, and you know, it's not like I'm gonna wear them day after day, so it's all good. They fit alright. So here they are. As you probably can see, the Obsidian is a little bit lighter than the Obsidian of the anniversary pack. I'll grab it out in a second. And I must say the shape of the women's ones are, I think, better than on the men's. The only thing that is, well, it doesn't bum me out, but it would have been dope if it had a hemmed tongue. Because right now it's just a normal essential tongue. It does look nice with the fully nylon tongue. The anniversary tongue is also fully nylon, but it also has a part which is mesh. You know, y'all probably have seen the anniversaries a lot and the OGs, so it's basically the same. It first came out in 03, and you know, most pairs that are still around are not really wearable anymore, so it's a lot cheaper to just get this one, which of course isn't the real OG, but I think it comes really close. So for the insole you have the women's typical insole Nike uses now. Yeah man, there are not really a lot of flaws also. It's got some small dents in the midsole right here, like the guy who was making them or putting them together was a little bit hungry and thought, oh man, this looks so good, let me just heat it up. Nah, but I don't know what happened, but I don't know, it doesn't really bother me that much. There were no extra laces though. There are not the nylon laces that are on the Obsidian anniversary, which I think this is better, but they are the smaller women's laces, but it's all good. Maybe I'll switch them up for some wider laces, but like I said, it doesn't really bother me also. So let's get out the anniversary Obsidian so we can compare the shape a little bit. So these are in a 9.5 men, so they are a little bit bigger, and as you can see the women's is a little bit pointier, which in my opinion looks better, but the mud guard, it just creeps up a little bit more on the toe box. And like I said, the tongue, you know, you have this nylon part on the anniversary, and in the middle, yeah, it's just mesh in the middle. But the big difference is the hemmed tongue, which I think looks a lot better, but it's just a small detail. And of course the insole is way doper on the anniversary pair, with just a regular Nike Air in there and not the essential kind of engineered for all day everyday comfort they use now. But you know, when you wear it you're not seeing it, so like I said, it doesn't really bother me. Like here they are on top of each other. I must say, in the lighting I have right now, both Obsidians look pretty similar, but the women's is definitely a little bit lighter. So yeah, I'm really happy with the pickup. I got them for a really good price because of the employee discount. So I think it's time to go outside and make some on-feed shots. Let's go!
Ryan Little.
Alright, so I just came home from taking the B-roll shots outside. It was a really nice temperature for a change, so the weather was good. It wasn't really that cold, so I was out for a little longer than normal, but it's only good. So thank you for watching, stay tuned for more videos. The next video is going to be a restoration on the Jordan 6 Varsity Red, which I think is a really dope shoe, and I don't think I've done a 6 yet, so that will be a dope process. So that's it. Thank you very much, and just subscribe, hit that bell button, you know, help me out a little bit, and I'll see you next week. Have a nice day.
Peace.